Guys, welcome back to another slime video. So this is just pretty much clear glue with baking soda right now. So today we're gonna do in this video is, can you guys guess what it is? That one? This one? So these are all sand. So black, white, pink, purple, it's dark purple, and then blue, dark blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and dark red, and just a bunch of pom-poms. So I'm going to start with making the slime first. Alright guys, so the clear slime is fully done, but it's obviously not cleared up yet. So it's pretty nice. And yeah, now let's start with the pom-poms and splitting this in half. So this is for the pom-poms, this pretty chunky one. And these that are on top are for each and every one. Okay, so let's start with this. Alright, so I got the spot and it's right here. So I'm gonna get the pom-poms. And these are the pom-poms. And oh, these are so soft. Just be like, bam! That looks good enough, I guess. Okay. So you can see the slimes right here. And I'm right here. And let's just stick a bunch of these pom-poms in there. Oy. Well, sorry about that. I don't know, but for some reason that scared me. Yeah. Okay, fixed it. Now, hey. My hair is very messy because I slept in that so young. Okay, so time to spread this thing and start mixing. Oh! Whoa, it's like, what is this? I never make pom-poms with slime before, but it looks pretty cool actually. So here it is. Whoa, it's actually really satisfying. Whoa. It's like a bunch of bubbles inside that don't pop. I need a little more. Ooh. Okay, I think that's enough. Whoa. Whoa, you can hear it. We can't spend a lot of time on this one, but it's still pretty cool. So I'm gonna leave this right here aside. Now let's get the red sand. Oh. Okay, that's a lot of sand. Right there. That's a lot of sand. But okay, so what we're gonna do is just dip it in and see it. Whoa. Whoa! Alright. Well, there you go. How long did that take? That looks so cool. Wow, what if I just like leave it like this the whole time? What? Can't see anything. This is cool. Alright, now I just gotta do it. Now there's red sand everywhere. Alrighty. Next is, let's change the camera. Alright, we got a new view right here. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a lot of parts, or maybe just part 1, part 2, so yeah. So now here's the bright orange. I messed up earlier, sorry. Okay. So that's the orange. And now I'm going to show you how I dipped it in. So I just get this in 2 fingers with this slime. Whoa, okay. So now let's like stretch it out. Whoa, it looks like a bunch of like candy stuff. Candy pop rocks maybe. Well, that's like, it colored it. Okay. Red, orange. Well, red, dark orange. Okay. Now for normal orange. I like this orange. It's nice and light. Kind of looks yellow, but it's okay. No, yep. Whoa. This looks like kettle popcorn, but mini. Cool. Next color is yellow. I would speed it up a little bit, so. I'm gonna start just doing this in the jar. Focus. Alright, I'm gonna finish everything off. Alrighty, let's just put a bunch of slime in there. Ooh. Ooh. This one's my favorite one. Sorry about that. This is white. Very sticky. And this hasn't even been used, so brand new. Whoa! There's a bunch of ants on this. Whoa! That looks super cool. Black. White in there. Well, it looks like rice. Come on. Can you like focus? This thing really hates me. There. Rice. Oh, let's start with the dark blue. Save best for last. Whoa! This is so fun. Oh, this is super pretty too. This is a dark purple. Very pretty too. Oh, my favorite one. Put a lot. Ooh. Very nice. not pink. Whoa, that looks like a coral. Oh, excuse my dirty nail. Alrighty. Let's put these back in colors. So, alrighty guys, so here is the final thing. Guys, I'm just wondering, should I change my slime area? Maybe it's a little dirty from the palettes, and yeah, it's pretty crazy. Comment down below if I should. So I'll see you guys in the next video, I guess. And this is a little hard for you guys. And wait, oh, I forgot how it feels. But thought I added some pompoms in the middle. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share it to your friends how you would try to feel this if you haven't felt it before. How do you think it felt? And comment down below if you remember what I said. I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.